A recent unconfirmed report from China suggests that a major smartphone company has decided to suspend its foldable product line, citing challenges with profitability. According to Ma Guangyu of 163.com, the 13.6% growth in China's foldable smartphone market this year fell below expectations, leading at least one company to rethink its plans for 2025. While the company isn't named, the report speculates that Oppo and Vivo, both with longer gaps since their last foldable launches, might be the ones pulling back. Xiaomi, on the other hand, just launched the Mix Flip internationally alongside the Mix Fold 4, though production of the Mix Flip fell short of its 500,000 unit target, and the Mix Fold sold fewer than 100,000 units. Oppo hasn't launched a new foldable since the Find N3 in October 2023, while Vivo, which didn't release a successor to its X Flip, did introduce the X Fold 3 and Fold 3 Pro, with the Pro making its international debut. On the other hand, Transsion's brands Tecno and Infinix have recently launched new foldables, such as the Tecno Phantom V Fold 2 and Infinix Zero Flip, so they're unlikely to follow suit in halting foldable production anytime soon. IDC reports that China saw 2.3 million foldable shipments in Q3 2024, a 13.6% year-on-year growth, marking the lowest growth rate in 2 years. Whether this signals a market plateau or just a temporary setback remains to be seen.